Starting a media agency can be an exciting venture, but figuring out how to legally set up your business as an LLC might seem a bit daunting. That's why we're here, to break it down and make it as simple as possible for you. Let's jump right in. First things first, why should you consider an LLC for your media agency? An LLC, or limited liability company, combines the benefits of a corporation with those of a partnership or sole proprietorship. In plain English, this means it offers liability protection while still giving you some management flexibility. Picture this. You've landed a big client and things are going great. Then suddenly, a legal issue arises. Without an LLC, your personal assets, like your car or home, might be at risk. But with an LLC, liability is typically limited to the business assets. That peace of mind is priceless. Now, let's talk about the steps to get your media agency LLC up and running. The first step is choosing a name for your business. Sounds simple, right? But remember, the name must be unique in your state and must end with LLC. You don't want to spend hours on branding only to find out someone else has the same name. Next, you'll need to file the Articles of Organization with your state. Think of this like your business's birth certificate. It's an official document that establishes your LLC and usually includes the business name, address, and details about the owners. You'll also need an operating agreement. While not always required by law, it's a good idea. This document outlines the management structure and operating procedures of your LLC. It's like the rule book for your business. Don't forget to get an EIN, or employer identification number. It's like a social security number for your business and is necessary for tax purposes. You'll need it to open a business bank account, hire employees, and file taxes. Let's not forget about any licenses or permits you might need. Depending on where you're located and the specifics of your media agency, you might require local, state, or federal licenses. Always best to check what applies to you. And remember, legalregistration.com is here to help streamline the process, from filing paperwork to providing guidance. We've got you covered. Visit us at legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111 to learn more. Before we wrap up, here's a bit of advice. Take it one step at a time. Setting up a business is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to your dream. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips on launching your business. Thanks for watching, and we wish you the best of luck with your media agency.